In this video, we are going to be analysing BYND, ticker BYND. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start pushing back to the upside? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $33 and $38. So really these are going to be the key resistances in the near term if we start pushing up. If though we are able to break those resistance levels and the recent highs created, then we would be looking at $47, $62, $65, and then taking us to final levels at $76, $93, and $120. Now, onto the support side of things, and as this stock is selling off so harshly over really the past year, maybe even two, what are going to be key support levels? And really we're coming into one at $19, our statistical mean on the 6-month chart. If we break that, we would be looking for a push below our 52-week low to around $10.90 and a final level at $4.75. Now obviously if we break that 52-week low, that going to $10 is very far off. So if we wanted closer levels, we could go onto a shorter term time frame, being the 20-day, and we could get some temporary support levels. So that would give us one at $15. So really this level is if we can push there within kind of the next week or two, because by then we would have a new support level on that longer term. But if you're looking more for, a month or even longer down the line, then we can be paying more attention to around that $11.1050 support level. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.